All right. So, as I just indicated you guys that we can reach for 19520, I can see a very nice opportunity here. Look at these candles one by one. Every consecutive candles is closing below, sorry, the it's creating a lower high kind of structure. But right after this, we see a very sharp downfall. Okay, very sharp downfall that can reach for this 19520 very easily. However, what I spotted is this fair value gap on the 5 minute time frame. Okay, and this is where we can see the price run into this fair value gap. Okay, this is the low, day low. This is where I want to see the price run into this and start turning around. If it's not running into this and simply starts falling down, then the fall will be very sharp. So I like to see a run into this, and then I can look for some short rates because this is NWOG, this is NWOG. So we are below both the NWOGs. We're below both the NWOGs. This is a bearish order block, up move, down move. This will be my breaker. Price had gone up, comes down. Looks like we'll fall right off here, but I wish to see a run inside this fair value gap and then a fall down. I would like to see this candle run inside this fair value gap. And then from there, what is the objective? The objective is this 19520. What are we supposed to do next? Wait for the this is the gift nifty chart. Price has entered this right here into this fair value gap. What do we have? Look at these equal lows right here. Clean liquidity that can be taken out, but at least this low around here, this is NDOG. We'll talk about it. So I really feel that in the next 2 minutes, there will be a sharp fall. There will be a sharp fall, and I can expect the markets to push lower. We have another fair value gap. I'll just mark that out. All right. So now, for a fact, I know that all the imbalances have been tested. Okay, all the fair value gaps have been tested. This did not provide resistance. It's fine, but it will when the price comes back down in the next candle. It will provide. It should provide resistance, and I can still. This is the best trade for us or anyone to be a participant. Let's see. into this area. Like it's just the 5 minute FPG. This is the 5 minute FPG. Still waiting for price to like go below this area. You see the candle could not close below it, so that's a good sign. So we have a breakup block, we have this fair value gap. So right below this area, I want to see this break, see this FPG break, come down, retest maybe. That is when I will enter the trade. I want to see the price come down. It should like create a big candle to the downside. That will be our trade. Our anticipation is lower prices here. It may spike up, it's fine, but anything below this area is going to be very worthy for us to see a short move. Everything else here looks like balanced to me. We've gone pretty high, but I don't want to see the price sustain above this. There are no executions yet. Will I be uh, comfortable entering this trade? Yes, very comfortable because I can see the price reach for this. Even this week, this is daily time frame, 50% rejection block, okay, consequent encroachment. So the price should first reach for this at least. So I would like to get an entry. I'm marking this complete fair value gap. Let's see. Look at the closing, opening, closing here, opening right below this. So they can come a price action which will look something like this. Down candle, very high possibility. First we have gone up, bearish order block, fair value gap, 5 minute. We are below two NWOGs. This is some because this is an imbalance right here. This is an imbalance right here. Okay, so we can see the price reach for it, test it. This is your 50% where the price bounced off. It's okay. Today I believe we are going for the down move right here. If I enter now, the stop loss will be pretty big, which I don't want. I want to keep a sensible stop loss. All right, so I'm in this trade. This NWOG is my SL, and this is going to be my target. So what you can see here is a 1:2 trade. The NWOG top is my stop loss. We do not have any reason for the price to go up. Let's see. We have created a bearish order block. Look at these candles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a very nice entry criteria. Usually, when this happens, we see a sharp fall lower. So I'll wait for the prices to do its work. I'm still going to be in this trade because this is the another fair value gap. The price is just testing right now, and if we respect this, we sustain this. This candle still got a lot of time to close. So if we respect this, we should see the candle close lower. I'm going to book partials somewhere here. So I've already sold us. So I'll take 100 off. I can take a 50 off right now. And I'll take another 50 off here. Nice. Now my stop loss will come down right uh, towards this 50% fair value gap. So if you see, I'm risk free right now, and we should see the price reach. All right, so this trade is now what? This trade is now at this point, like book. I don't want to book anymore. I let the price go down. Maybe yeah, I can. I guess we can. Yeah, we'll put it right here. Very close. This is your breakaway gap, but I should not trade towards the 50% above the 50% of it, so that we can see a very sharp fall. So below break even, we have book partials. Let's see. Too close. I'll buy another 50. So I've just executed another 50. I'm not following this on now. Right here, we'll exit all the trade.
because you do not want the price to reverse from here from this test and then go in your go against your direction, because this is not the best. It's not the best in terms of the target, because the target is very close from here to here. I don't want to see price break above this 50% of fair value gap to see a continuation lower. This is order flow, guys. This is how an order flow is developed. As I said, look at the candlestick. I was expecting this candlestick. It happened here. There was a nice move lower. But here, I want to see the price like maybe tap into this and fall. Even if it does not tap, it's okay. I would like to see a sharp fall. At least test this price, 19,520. There is no other reason for the price to go. Obviously, it can leave this unfilled and then push higher, and because of which we have our trail stop loss here. But I would like to see the price test this. What's the time? But we can still hold on to it. There's no problem. Markets may want to go towards these equal lows also. But I will exit my trade right here at 19,520. There's nothing that I would like to hold on to. You all remember I recently called out that Bajaj Finance is reaching for this volume balance right here, and it reached for it. So you had a breaker block, two fair value gaps. You had NWG right here. You had another NWG right here.
That we are reaching here 19,520. It is supposed to fall, guys. It is supposed to fall. But yes, now we don't know exactly if it's going to reach our terminus or not. So for that, I need to make sure that we are not going above the fair value gap on the 5 minute time frame. We should not see that. Above as in not above the 50%. That's very important. I will share the breakdown of this trade. I'm still waiting for the target to touch. Once it's done, it see you still got like some space. This is the new candle that has opened. So it looks like it will fill all the gaps today. All the gaps as in the gap that was created today. And yes, I'm exiting the trade in my account and I will leave it here. Done, done and dusted, guys. This is how it's done. 19,520. As pointed out, I will share the uh, I'll share the breakdown just in case you have any doubt after watching this video. Let me know.